Hi! Ito ang Amara Expanded. Meron itong 1 carport at extra space sa harap for pocket garden. Ito ang very spacious living area and 6 to 8 seaters dining area. Sliding door for lanai and granite kitchen countertop. Overhead cabinets are not included, pero under-sink cabinets are included with aluminum doors, sink and faucet. Space for refrigerator and first common toilet and bath with complete fixtures. Meron din itong pantry or storage room. Steel handrails and solid wood for steps. Ito ang first bedroom, good for single size to double size bed. And second bedroom with provision for window type aircon and single size bed and space for built-in cabinet. Ito ang second common toilet and bath with complete fixtures. Extra space for the hallway and ceramic tiles. Ito ang very spacious master's bedroom with own toilet and bath with complete fixtures. And additional 15 square meter balcony and very spacious attic for family gatherings. This is EJ Reyes from MJDC Realty. Thank you for watching.